What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So first off, I just want to say I'm sorry I haven't been uploading a lot of content lately. I know I promised that this channel will be rolling. However, I was away and I didn't really have much service to edit and upload some videos. So if you could remember, I reviewed and I had the lasfit on my 2019 Honda Accord. So today we're also going to be upgrading our floor mat on our 2022 Honda Accord. So first we're going to go for unboxing, and then we're going to go how well it fit on my 2022 Honda Accord. So as always, lasfit provides with the great packaging, as you can see. Do this. Sorry, we're shooting and filming outside. Alright, I figured it's better to do this review while away so I could show you a lot better. And as you can see, this one is laser cut and it fits perfectly on your Accord. So this one's going to be in the back. This one as well. So this floor liner is going to come in a 5-piece. And as for this one, this is actually my favorite part about lasfit. It actually covers the middle part of the Accord, since if you have a passenger in the back, or like if you have like 3 passengers, and if you're like me, I hate having my car dirty all the time. So this one is actually perfect. It covers that mid odd shape in the back where the AC is. And also this one is on the passenger side. And as for this one, this is for the driver's side, which actually comes with a factory hole in it, so you could actually secure your floor liners. Alright, so right now we're gonna put this driver's side right over here. Alright, it's all secure. Show it to you. Alright, so it's for the driver's side. This is what it's going to look like. As you can see, I know the pedals are dirty. So, as you can see, it covers a lot better compared to the OEM all-weather floor mat, in my opinion. And what I actually like about this floor mat is that it covers the dead pedal right over here. So, right over there. I know it's kind of dirty, but we're going to get that clean. And once we clean that, it's actually going to protect the underlayer with the carpet and also the dead pedal. And as you can see over here as well, it covers the upper portion as well. So you're going to have extra protection. And right over here, as you can see, it's going to catch all the dirt and it's going to stick on your floor mat. And I actually really like this. And when I had this on my 2019, I loved it since this floor mat is easy to clean and it keeps your interior clean as well, especially on rainy days and snowy days. And also I'm going to show you the rear part and show you how it actually looks like with the lasfit on. Alright, now as for the rear side, we're going to be putting the other 3-piece. This one right over here. We're going to see how well it covers the rear. Oh. And also we're putting the 3rd piece. So this weird angle goes on this side, and just like what I mentioned, when I didn't have this floor mat, I had my siblings in the rear and they often stepped on this one. Now we have the lasfit. We're gonna have extra protection. As you can see, just put this, tuck this in. There you go. It actually covers the area right over here where I suppose on the OEM one it doesn't. So I actually like this one. It fits perfectly, and I love it. So that's what it's gonna look like. Let me show you all around. So here, just like what I was mentioning earlier, right over here, it has that a little bit of a high wall, which covers the fully covers your rear. I actually love it. And this one, which is like you can just tuck this in. This one goes on top and actually protects this one. This is one of the part that I hate cleaning before, but now since I have the lasfit, it actually keeps the car clean. As you can see, the slick look right over here. And it's the same thing with the passenger side as well. It covers mainly everything. So as you can see, roll it back, roll the seat back. I don't know why I put it all the way front. There you go. That's what it actually looks like. So there you go. And same thing on the passenger side. It actually looks the same. Let me just show it to you. And this is actually how it looks like on the passenger side. Covers all the way up. Protects all the dust and debris from outside. So that's pretty much the all-around look of the lasfit. So this is pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys find this video very helpful and informative when it comes to lasfit interior liners. I really love the product and it's very good quality. And on top of that, I'll be doing a giveaway. The first prize is going to be the floor mat, the all-weather floor mat. I don't know why I'm stuttering. And second, I'll be giving away 2 sets of interior LED light bulb that covers your dome map and your map lights, and also that includes your trunk lights as well. And the third prize is going to be an interior ambient lighting. So in order for you to join, just comment down below, why do you need the floor mats? And I'll be choosing 3 lucky winners, and if I choose you, I'll DM you or probably announce it on a different video on the next video. So stay tuned for that one, and make sure to like, subscribe to your boy if you haven't. And thank you so much for subscribing and supporting the channel. We are at 1,500 subscribers now. Our next goal is going to be 2,000 subscribers. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe to your boy, and share this video to your friends and family who needs a floor liner, especially if they have an Accord. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.